Ooh, the strawberries are so good. A little tart. Ooh, the eye. But they're so good. Ooh. Hey foodie friends, welcome back to EatLaughReview, and I'm Dina. And today I have a sweet treat for you. And here's a little thing about me that you guys may not know. Anything that has to do with baking, it goes downhill. So every time I bake something, it's just no bueno. So today, this video is about no baking. You heard that right, foodie friends. No baking. And what do I have here, you may ask? It's a no-bake vegan chocolate coconut cheesecake. I know, look at this beauty. Ooh, baby. Now, it's not my recipe. This fabulous recipe is from my friend Vanessa. Her channel is Game of Cookies. Her channel is all about baking. I'm talking the real deal baking, okay? And she's made this playlist of vegan baking, which I'm super excited. And I saw it and I'm like, yahoo! So I was looking through it and I found this amazing beauty that caught my eye. First of all, because it's no bake. Second of all, it's chocolate. Third of all, it's vegan. So I'm happy camper here. So I decided to follow her instructions and go ahead and make it. Now, look at mine. You see, like the colors there, and well, I already cut it here. See that? Pre-cut. You guys were supposed to see that, but oh well. See it? But it's a little like flat on one side and like big on the other side. Again, I'm not a baker. I'm not a baker at all, guys. I'm not good with measurements when it comes to baking. When I cook, I just zhuzh everything together. Like I go. So with baking, you have to be like precise. So, and I like to break the rules. What can I say? So anyhow, I follow her recipe to the T, as you can see. Look how delicious. And all this is, guys, it's coconut milk. Whole fat, am I saying it right? Whole fat or full fat coconut milk. You leave the can in the refrigerator overnight and you just use the top part, the fat part. And that's what makes this amazing little whipped kind of look of cheesecake. So anyhow, Vanessa, her channel is called Game of Cookies, and she does baking. She's a phenomenal baker. She drills down on the recipe. There's no guessing involved. There's no like, oh, what was that again? Like, she's just great. She's funny too. And I really love her. When she made the little vegan playlist, I was super stoked about it. It's her recipe, so I'm gonna play it up here for you guys so you can see how she made it. And also, I want you guys to go ahead and check her out. She's on Instagram, Game of Cookies, and she's also on Twitter. I'll link her channel down below so you guys can check her out and check out this amazing recipe. And look at this. Look how delicious it looks. I left it in the fridge overnight. It was easy peasy, you guys. And you know how I love easy peasy stuff. Oh, what I did on the top here, I got some Oreo cookies, because Oreo cookies are vegan, and I just crushed them, and I just cut up some strawberries. That's it. Let's get up close and personal, shall we? Oh, and this is little graham cracker crumb thingamajigs. Right, and look at the cookies. So delish. She used vegan coconut cookies. I couldn't find them, so I didn't use that. Just used the coconut milk and the graham crackers crumbs. And there we go. I gotta get close to this, guys. OMG. Look how creamy that looks, you guys. So delicious. Oh my God. And the little graham cracker, see that in the back there? In the bottom there? This is so good. So good and refreshing. Light, creamy, easy. Can I just say this again? No bake, No freaking bake. My kind of baking. Mmm. Delicious. Mmm, so good. Delish. We found each other on Twitter. That's where we found each other. And she just started posting of her recipes that she made. She titled one vegan, and that caught my eye, the whole vegan and no bake thing. Mainly the no bake, because I could just veganize anything. So, but the no bake, I was sold, and I was like, ugh. And so we lived happily ever after, because so she helped me in a way, and I just wanted to show some love to her, because her baking is just phenomenal. Her channel, I love it. So this isn't a collab. This is just me showing her love, because I appreciate her videos, and I appreciate her doing a vegan no bake playlist. So I could not wait to make this and to film it for you guys to see how a no baking cheesecake. That's huge, huge. So, guys, no sugar, only agave. Agave is sugar, but only agave sweetener in here. That's all. And it's just delish because of the dark chocolate that's in here. Super simple. The most easiest recipe, baking recipe I've ever made, hands down. And it's delicious. Delish. I would still make this all the time, seriously. It's so good. Anyhow, check out my girl Vanessa, Game of Cookies. Check out her videos. I'll put the link to her recipe down below. Be sure to follow her on Instagram and Twitter, Game of Cookies. Let her know I sent you guys. And enjoy her wonderful baking, non-baking, vegan, and non-vegan recipes. She's an amazing baker. You guys. And I was like, literally, when I was filming this, I couldn't find my cake knife. So I had to go ahead and find a spatula, whoopsie, to cut this. Anyhow, the little Oreo crumbles on top just adds the little crunch factor that I love. Thank you for this delicious no-bake vegan cheesecake. I love it. Don't forget to hit that like and share this video with everyone and anyone who would like to make a no-bake cheesecake. Share it with your friends. Share it with friends that are bakers. Share it with friends that are no bakers. Share it with friends that just like to eat. Like me. Anyhow, I love you guys. And don't forget to live life on the veg. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.